Listen, practice, repeat.
Imagine this. You are standing inside a busy international airport. People are pulling suitcases, announcements are playing, and your flight leaves in 2 hours. Don't worry. Today, Jack and I will take you through a complete airport journey in simple, natural English.
That is perfect, because I am flying to London today, and I am already nervous.
By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly what to say from the moment you enter the airport until you leave the arrivals hall.
Great. My suitcase is packed, my passport is ready, and they think my taxi is here.
Before we leave, let's check the 3 most important things: passport, ticket, and wallet.
Passport, ticket, and wallet. Yes, I have all 3.
Excellent. Let's go.
We have arrived at the airport. The departure board is huge. How do I find my flight?
Look for your flight number, not only the city name. 2 flights can go to the same city, so the flight number is more reliable.
Here it is. Flight BA281 to London. It says check-in desks 34 to 38. We are at the counter now. What should I say first?
Say, "Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to London."
Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
May I see your passport and booking confirmation, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, I have 1 suitcase to check in and 1 small carry-on bag.
Next, place your suitcase on the scale.
Is it within the weight limit?
Yes, it weighs 21 kilograms, so it is fine. Would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
I'd prefer an aisle seat, please.
Here is your boarding pass.
Your gate is B16 and boarding begins at 10:40.
Well done, Jack. You were polite, clear, and confident. Now let's go through security. Keep your passport and boarding pass where you can reach them easily.
The line is moving quickly. I think it is my turn.
At the entrance, you may hear, "Boarding pass, please."
Here you are.
Place your bag, jacket, belt, and phone in the tray. Please remove your laptop from your bag.
Sorry, could you repeat that more slowly, please?
Certainly. Take your laptop out and place it in a separate tray.
I understand now. Thank you.
Do you have any liquids or sharp objects in your bag?
I have a small bottle of shampoo in a clear plastic bag, but I don't have any sharp objects.
That answer is clear. Please walk through the scanner.
Selena, asking the officer to repeat the instruction really helped.
Never pretend that you understand when you don't.
I will remember those phrases. Now we need to find gate B16.
Let's check the information screen again, because gates sometimes change.
Oh, our flight now says delayed. What does that mean?
It means the flight will leave later than planned. Let's ask for more information.
Excuse me, could you tell me how long the flight is delayed?
The airport information shows a 30-minute delay because of bad weather. Please stay near the gate and listen for announcements.
Has the gate changed?
Yes, the new gate is B21.
Thank you for letting me know. And if I cannot find the gate, I can say, "Excuse me, could you show me the way to gate B21?
Perfect. Listen, Jack, they are making an announcement. The announcement says, "Attention passengers traveling on flight BA281 to London. We are now ready to begin boarding at gate B21. Passengers in Group 1 may board first."
My boarding pass says Group 3, so I should wait, right?
Yes. When they call Group 3, join the line and have your passport and boarding pass ready. Now they are inviting passengers in Group 3 to board.
We are finally on the plane. My seat is 18C, but someone is sitting there. How can I speak politely?
Try this. "Excuse me, I think this may be my seat."
Excuse me, I think this may be my seat. My boarding pass says 18C.
The passenger may reply, "Oh, I'm sorry. I'm in 18B. I read it incorrectly."
No problem at all.
That is much more polite than saying, "You are in my seat." During the flight, you may need a few simple phrases. You can ask, "Could I have some water, please?" You can also ask, "Where is the restroom?" Or, "Could I have a blanket, please?" During meal service, you may hear, "Would you like pasta or chicken?"
I'd like the chicken, please. Does it contain nuts?
No, it doesn't. Would you like tea, coffee, or juice?
Orange juice, please. Thank you.
Asking about ingredients is especially important if you have an allergy. You can say, "I'm allergic to nuts," or "Does this contain dairy?"
That could keep a traveler safe, not just comfortable.
Exactly.
The captain has announced that we are landing soon. What happens when we arrive?
First, follow the signs for passport control or immigration. The officer may ask about the purpose and length of your visit. Let's practice those questions now. Good afternoon. May I see your passport, please?
Good afternoon. Certainly. Here you are.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for a holiday.
How long will you be staying?
I'll be staying for 10 days
Where will you be staying?
at the Parkview Hotel in central London.
Here is my hotel reservation. Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do. My return flight is on the 15th of August.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Now we are at baggage claim. The screen says our bags will arrive on Carousel 7.
A carousel is the moving belt that carries the suitcases.
Many bags have arrived, but mine is not here. The belt has stopped. What should I do?
Stay calm and go to the baggage service desk.
Excuse me, my suitcase hasn't arrived. Could you help me, please?
Let's role-play the questions you may hear at the baggage desk. May I see your baggage receipt and boarding pass?
Yes, here they are.
Could you describe your suitcase?
It is a medium-sized black suitcase with a red ribbon on the handle. It also has a name tag on the side.
Thank you. Please complete this form and write the address where you are staying. We will contact you when we locate the bag.
Will it be delivered to my hotel?
Yes, it will. Here is your reference number.
Thank you for your help. Now we are going through customs. I only have clothes and personal items.
Then, if the rules allow it, follow the green "Nothing to Declare" sign. If an officer asks, you can say, "I only have personal belongings and I have nothing to declare."
We have reached the arrivals hall. How do I get to my hotel?
Let's ask at the information desk.
Excuse me, what is the easiest way to get to the city center?
The airport train is the fastest option. The station is downstairs, and you can buy a ticket from the machine.
How often does the train leave?
Every 15 minutes.
Thank you. And I learned that I do not need perfect English. I only need to stay calm, listen carefully, and use clear sentences. These phrases can make stressful travel easier.
Exactly. Now, dear learners, repeat these essential phrases with us.
I'd like to check in for my flight, please.
Could you tell me where the security area is?
Sorry, could you repeat that more slowly?
Has the departure gate changed?
Excuse me, I think this may be my seat.
Could I have some water, please?
I'm here for a holiday, and I'll be staying for 10 days.
My suitcase hasn't arrived. Could you help me, please?
What is the easiest way to get to the city center?
Save this lesson and listen again before your next flight.
If this conversation helped you feel more confident, like the video, subscribe to English with Selena, and share it with someone who is preparing to travel.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and enjoy your journey.
Remember, you do not need perfect English. Clear, polite sentences will guide you everywhere.
See you in the next lesson.
Until then, safe travels.
Ciao. Goodbye.